Hey, this is Scott, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I literally just got home and the delivery guy was at my door. So this is from Azden, and it's the PRO-XD wireless lav system. So let's go ahead and get right into this. And there it is. So today is just going to be an unboxing. Obviously I just got this, so I'm going to take it out and show you what's included in here and talk about all the parts and everything and what they are. But I will be spending a little time with this to get a feel for how it works, and then I will make another video to show you the features and to give a little bit of my thoughts, kind of a review on how well it works. For today this is just going to be an unboxing, so let's dive right in. You get a nice little black box in here. It's very simple and it opens up just like that, and inside is where you have all the goodies. On top, of course, you have your instruction manual here, and then inside you got a bunch of wires and the two transmitter and receiver here. This little bag of wires, let's check what we got. This is the actual microphone here. I've heard mixed things about this microphone, so I'll be interested to see just how well it actually does sound and how well it performs. And it comes with this, I believe it's the TRRS connector here, so you should be able to plug this straight into your phone, I believe. And also in this bag you have the little foam windscreen for that, and your little clip here. So if you've never used a lav microphone before, let's try and get this out of the bag here. It has this, I don't know how well you can see, maybe if I put it against the white there, it has this little part right here where you're just going to snap the microphone right into there, and it will hold it in place just like that. Very simple. And then you clip this onto your shirt or wherever you need to clip it to. So it has that all included. Some more cables. This one here, I believe, will go from the receiver to your camera, and this is just a regular TRS cable. After that we have this adapter. This is a TRS to TRRS adapter. So if you do want to go from the wireless receiver, which is just a TRS connection, into your phone, for example, you could do that using this. So that's cool that they include that. Then there's this USB cable, which is just a USB to, I believe this is, what do they call it, a micro USB. And this will be used to charge the batteries in here. And then after that you have the power adapter that plugs into the wall. There's the brick here that you plug in the USB cable to, and you can actually interchange the plug depending on which country you're in. So I'm in Japan, so I have just this standard 2-pin adapter here, and you just plug that into the wall, plug the USB in here, and you can charge the batteries in here. So obviously these do not have removable batteries. They have a built-in rechargeable battery. I believe it's like 300 cycles or something like that. They do have a pretty long battery life as far as I've heard. I will be testing that out, of course, to see how well it actually works. This is the both of them. We have the receiver here, which has the cold shoe mount to go right on top of your camera. It's very, very compact, very thin, very light, and it has this adjustable antenna on here. You can adjust the angle and you can turn it to work how you need it to work. This also will unscrew, so if you need to unscrew it for a little bit of a easier transportation without having to worry about it breaking off, you can do that. Has the mic out here, which is where you'll plug in, where did it go? One of these cables. Where you'll plug in this cable to go into your camera. Has the USB connection on the bottom here where you'll plug it into charge. And then on the other side you got your power and plus minus for volume adjustments, kind of built in. I don't know if you can see that on the screen here, but it's just raised kind of bumpy buttons here. It's not like a different color or anything like that. All of the outside edge of this is kind of like a rubberized texture. This is plastic, but the edge is rubber, so it's easy to grip and easy to hold, which is nice. Then on the top you do actually have a headphone out, which is cool. If you don't have a headphone jack on your camera, you can use this to monitor the audio. So So that's nice that they have that built in here. And then you have the little status screen, which has a Wi-Fi and power signal to show you just the status of how everything is at the moment. And then this is the transceiver, which is again very, very small. This has a shorter antenna, which is also removable. So if you want to throw it in your bag or something and not worry about that snapping off or getting bent, you can do that, which is cool. Again, you have the rubber texture all around the outside of this. You have the power button on one side, just like with the receiver. And on the other side, you have auxiliary in, which is kind of interesting. And I do want to see a little bit more about how I could use that. And then here you also have a little switch. And then of course on top you have your microphone input here for your lavalier microphone. And again, the status little window here, which has the power status and the connection status. It's very simple, very lightweight. Of course, you have this clip on the back, and the clip also feels like it's made from plastic. But generally, I mean, considering it's plastic, it feels well made. It's compact, it's lightweight. That's one of the huge selling points of this. So it's very simple, and hopefully it also works very simply. These pair automatically. You don't have to worry about pressing any button to pair them up when you turn them on. Like I said, I will be spending a little bit more time with these to kind of get to know them, their ins and outs, how they work, and how well they work. And then I will make a second video to go over those features in a little bit more detail, and just talk about any disappointments or any surprises, anything that I was impressed with, you know, my overall review. So if you do want to see more of that kind of video, then I will put the link down below when it's ready. But for today, that's where we're going to finish it off. It was just a quick unboxing. I'm not good at unboxing, so I apologize if I ramble a lot, but hopefully if you wanted to see what's included in here, this gave you kind of an idea how it all comes in the box. If you have any questions or comments, anything you'd like to see tested, anything you'd like to see addressed in that review video, be sure to leave that down below and I will definitely check that out. If you like this video or found it helpful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to see more in the future, and as always, thank you for watching.